So just a very quick video. It's been quite a long day on this particular vehicle. So we've done full soundproofing, as you can hear in the doors. Obviously that's what it would have sounded like everywhere. Now it's full soundproofed on here, so this will improve the actual interior cabin noise, but it will also enhance the audio as well, because the audio is not going to be coming out of the door now. It actually comes into the vehicle, so it's a great upgrade for that, as well as obviously just quieting down the interior in this particular hardtop version. And we've also done full 4-door soft close. So if I'll just show you here, that soft close here on the front door, and we've got soft close on the rear, and obviously it's a bit dark, but it's the same on all the doors all the way around on this particular vehicle. So now it's gone dark, but yes, so if you're interested in having a soft close conversion done on Defender 110s, 130s and 90s, we can do that, as well as full soundproofing for your Defender.